Hi there traders and investors, today is Friday, September 15. I'm glad to present you with a regular market review prepared for InstaForex. A batch of macroeconomic data was released yesterday. The market moved, defying some of expectations. Now let's try to make forecast for popular trading instruments. Before we discuss the charts, let's look at the economic calendar. The crucial event was the ECB's decision on their refinancing rate. Despite the consensus of the status quo, the ECB decided to raise the key interest rate by 25 basis points. In response to a rate hike, the euro commonly creates a gigantic bullish candlestick. If we look at the euro's chart in practice, we see a nosedive in the price yesterday. I'm puzzled about it. The rate hike was a bombshell because the ECB was expected to put interest rates on hold. So the rate hike yesterday should have triggered a rally instead. According to a smaller time frame, the euro jumped by 180 pips and then instantly slumped. I grasp the point of how Forex robots operate on the news. I used to deal with them myself. I know people who earned millions of dollars by algorithmic trading. The robot is set to act under different scenarios. If the forecast was the ECB status quo, but the refi rate was increased, the robot was programmed to trade higher. Something disabled the trend in the euro which I cannot explain. The euro acted as though the ECB cut, but did not raise interest rates. The next bullish leg came after the news in the US, which reinforced the US dollar. The three economic reports were in the green. The PPI was much stronger than expected. This downward move in the euro is easy to understand. The euro weakened because the dollar gained ground following the upbeat news. The euro-dollar pair made a lower low when it closed. Today, I suggest a new bullish idea for the euro-dollar pair, betting on a much bigger potential rise than yesterday. I believe that the euro's value should be higher on the condition of elevated interest rates. I've also spotted a nice upward target. The euro was pushed sharply down by the strong dollar-related news. In the Asian session, the instrument may swing low. Now the price is creeping up. The price could hit the target that I hunted for yesterday, but I had my stop loss activated. I would advise you to consider long positions after yesterday's slump. The price might form an inner bar and turn upward. Gold made sharp moves yesterday. In theory, gold should also have tumbled yesterday. In reality, gold is now trading much higher than yesterday. The metal also plunged after the news produced a swing low and is now going up. You may wonder what trajectory it will follow. I don't have any ideas and targets according to the stop hunting strategy. I will tell you later. Obviously, selling impulse has been destroyed. If you want to buy gold, you may plan long positions with a swing low in focus. I want to see gold approach 1928 and profit taken on short positions. Then I'd like to see a jump. The sell impulse which unfolded in late August could generate a third ascending wave. Those who opened short positions yesterday have already suffered losses. American sellers will see their stop losses activated today. Gold will grow later, so the instrument could update highs in the medium term. The USD-CAD pair does not suggest any curious trading ideas. The chart shows fixing profits from sell positions. I assume the instrument will leave a target for sell positions which could be opened next week. Yesterday, I determined high upward targets for the pound-dollar pair. I plan to open long positions if a buy impulse shows up. The instrument pulled back to the demand zone. The stop hunting strategy does not suggest nice targets. Like in the euro's case, the pound-dollar pair produced a swing low. If you want to go long, you should hold your position until 1.28. The dollar-yen pair plunged following the strong dollar-related news. Then it retraced and produced a third wave. I wanted to hold my positions until the downward target, which was not hit. I closed my positions and break even. Currently, the yen is testing historic lows. I reckon the Bank of Japan will intervene soon. The instrument left a target at intraday lows between September 13 and 14. I assume the pair will climb higher. The Bank of Japan will wake up again. We could go short from a swing high, aiming for that target. That's all I wanted to tell you today. See you next week.